Potica is a cherished symbol of Slovenian tradition, celebrated during holidays and special occasions. This exquisite pastry is crafted by rolling delicate yeast dough with a variety of rich fillings, the most beloved being walnut. Other classic flavors include tarragon, poppy seeds and cottage cheese, each reflecting Slovenia's diverse culinary heritage. Baked in a distinctive ring-shaped mold, potica requires both skill and patience, with recipes often passed down through generations. More than just a dessert, potica embodies the warmth of Slovenian hospitality and the artistry of its timeless traditions.